Let's get some expert legal analysis now from criminal defense attorney and federal litigator Vikas Bajaj. Vic, great to have you here as always. Whenever we see these body cam videos, there's always questions asked of were the officers acting within their rules of engagement, their legal authority. This case, it seems unquestionable. They did nothing wrong here. They acted completely according to their training. Is that your view?
Absolutely. This is a case where there's a call for help on a suicidal individual. What we call this in the legal arena of law enforcement and defense is suicide by cop. Now, sometimes there are individuals that want to take their own lives, and then there are others who say, well, I'm going to have a police officer shoot me, and in that mix, I may take a police officer's life. This is another example, like we've talked about before, of serious mental illness in the United States of America. Much less a gun issue, much more a psychological, devastating issue with people that may or may not have the correct treatment. The officers in this case acted appropriately. Everything I've reviewed in the body-worn camera says there were adequate warnings given before there was a potential breach. The barrage of fire, the gunfire that came the law enforcement officers' way, was immediate, which means it was premeditated.
A couple of other things I want to get to quickly here. Sheng Thao, who is the mayor of Oakland, crime-ridden city, facing a recall now, but now a property connected to her raided by the FBI. What do we read into that, Vic?
If you read between the lines, and I've handled quite a few public corruption investigations in my life, we have to look at 2020 when there was an Ethics Commission investigation on now mayor, and that was taking money from a recycling company given through straw donors in an illegal way. When we see the FBI moving in on an investigation like this and walking out with white banker boxes full of materials, it smells like a public corruption case. The alternative or alternate residence was clearly something connected. I believe there's a significant other in this case that may be implicated as well.
Immunity decision from the Supreme Court on President Trump coming up. Which way does it go? Real quick.
I believe it goes on the side of giving more immunity to presidents when they commit acts in their official capacity. To do anything else would be to rewrite history and cause a lot of danger in the future.
Great. See you in the nightcap.